Hey friends, I hope this message finds you well. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. I come to you today as a friend, not as a mortgage professional, not as a branch manager, but as a friend. And I'm going to be direct, okay? This is something that's heavy on my heart, and I hope this message gets out, and I hope you listen. If you want to continue crashing the U.S. economy, if you want to absolutely crash a beautiful housing market that we've worked so hard to rebuild since 2008, if you want to absolutely destroy your own personal credit, then by all means, continue falling for this mortgage forbearance trap. You know, the media is doing a pathetic job right now getting this information out. Your banks, your servicers by law, by federal law, are required to say that you can miss up to 3 months mortgage payments due to this COVID-19 crisis. But what they're not telling you is what's going to happen in 3 months. And they're not telling you what, by trying to take advantage of this system, what it will do to the economy and what it will do to the housing market. And I want to take 2 minutes today and explain. You have a $2,000 a month mortgage payment. You skip 3 payments. That 4th month, you have 4 payments due. You got to come current on 3, and you have to make your next month's payment. A forbearance is not forgiveness. Okay, so all 3 of those mortgage payments that you missed, per the fine print, are due. And then your next month's payment at the same time is due. So you don't have $6,000 due, you have $8,000 due. And if you can't make all of those payments, you're going to go into default. Your credit score is going to be trashed. They're going to begin the foreclosure process on your home. And that's going to add massive anxiety to you. But let's talk about what it does to the economy. The servicers have to continue paying the agencies, the investors, money, okay? So even though you haven't made payments, they still have to make payments to the investors. By them having to make payments and not getting money from you, and hundreds of thousands of Americans are going to do this, they're going to go out of business. When servicers and mortgage lenders go out of business, the big banks, Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, they get government help and they come in. Well, they tighten up all the guidelines, so less people will qualify for mortgages. If less people qualify for mortgages, guess what happens? Homes don't sell. When homes don't sell, more homes come on the market, which causes an increase in inventory. When you have an increase in inventory, what happens to values? Housing values come down. Now, by the time that that's kicked in, you have all these people that were in default on their homes going into foreclosure. Now you have REOs or foreclosures hitting the market, and that's how you trash a housing market. So the U.S. economy is already down. You've taken advantage of a system and haven't made your payment that you could make, and you've now trashed the housing market. In addition to that, you now have poor credit. This is not a good situation. So what do? I'm going to tell you what to do. Unless you absolutely have no money and you cannot make your mortgage payment, make your mortgage payment. If it comes down to feeding your family and making your mortgage payment, feed your family. But if you have money in the bank, if you have a little bit of income coming in with unemployment, make your mortgage payment. You signed a note. You took a vow, if you will, a legal vow when you bought a home. You accepted the responsibilities of homeownership. Make your mortgage payment. Do not fall for this trap that the media, that the government hasn't thoroughly explained. I'm here as a mortgage professional to explain it to you. Personally, I don't want to see your credit trashed. Professionally, guys, I got in the mortgage industry in 2008. Okay, I had no idea what happened prior to 2008, but I can tell you that it was a war zone in 2008, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and to see how far our housing market has come here in Seattle and see how healthy the mortgage industry is today, where you don't have bad loans, you have good loans and great borrowers, to see all of that go away because some people got greedy and tried to take advantage of a system is absolutely just gut-wrenching to me. So do me a favor. Make your mortgage payment. Do me another favor. Share this information with as many people as you can. Let's help preserve our beautiful housing markets here in Seattle. Let's help preserve and rehabilitate our economy. And I'm here if you need anything. If you want a private conversation with me, my information's on the screen. Reach out to me and I'm happy to help you or someone that you know. Bye for now.